Di naman. Looks like that's all she wrote.
That's all she wrote.
Opo, maniwala po kayo. Si Anton Raga po ang punong sharker dyan sa Manila. His clear option here is just to bounce it off para daan yung 4.
Side sa 4, yeah.
The Mavericks able to close this one. And this reaches the distance. 1-on-1. Who are you going to field?
Di ba? Kay Panday, di ba? Sa isang 1-on-1.
Well, sa Negros, it could be an easy choice.
Oo, Drasir.
It's gonna be anybody's ball game here.
Down to our last 3, or down to our last 2 balls now. I'd go, yan, baksak.
Baksak lang.
Pero yun nga, kaya napatigil si ano dun si Anton.
And expect a celebration.
Kita mo yung sigh of relief dito kay Jonas Magpantay.
Something we did not expect from Jonas Magpantay.